if you're still in college, leverage your career center to death. Once you graduate, you're going to have to pay for those services, to have somebody look at your resume, your cover letter, give you advice. So, be there as much as possible, get to know your career services staff, and have them help you as much as possible to get your next internship and your first job.
Yeah, I think that people either don't want to bother them, or they don't think they're going to be helpful, or they go in and maybe at first it's not, someone doesn't hand them a job, but those career services offices are what you make of them, right? And you can go in and say, hey, could you give me a list of all the alumni in this particular industry, in this particular area? Because I'd love to reach out to them and just chat with them about how they do what they do and if they like their jobs, because I don't know what to do. That's a great ask. And I think that not enough people understand what you can ask of a career counselor or career services in school or in graduate school. So I think that's a really great golden nugget of advice.